Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how you can easily be able to reduce stress and at the same time pressure, and it's very easy. What you need to do is just visit a farm that at least have chicken or even pigeon. If not, you can be able to put them in your own place and just watch them feed. So you can take the feed and give them, or even just throw the feed down there and then be able to see how your birds are eating, how they are flying, how they are interacting, how they are running, and you can really relax your mind. You can really enjoy. Just see what's happening right now. They're coming where they are. They are really enjoying. Just see. They are not scared. And when you're doing this, you feel relaxed. You're having fun. You're enjoying. See. Just see, when you watch them fly, when you watch them feed, when you watch them running, you feel relaxed, and this can really help you reduce stress if you are a stressed person. And also at the same time, this can also help you reduce pressure. So this is another way of healing yourself. It's very healthy for guys that at least have pressure and also those who frequently have stress. So just see how friendly it is. Just watch how they're flying. Just see. It's very important to help you reduce pressure, stress. Yeah. Just feed them. You can even touch them. So you can try it at home. For those guys who have stress, those who have pressure, just try visit a farm with birds and just watch them fly, watch them feed, watch them run, and see exactly how relaxed you are going to feel. So for guys who are often stressed or have pressure, today we've learned a new way of reducing stress by just watching your birds, watching your pigeons flying, eating, running, jumping up and down. This will really make you feel happy, feel relaxed, and that helps reduce your pressure and also help reduce stress. You can try it at home. So guys, just give it a try at home or in any farm that keeps the birds, and you can give me the feedback on how you felt watching the birds fly, watching the birds feeds. So remember to like, remember to share the video, and subscribe for more updates. Till next time, enjoy your time. Bye bye.